Are you ready to witness the wonders of the InstantArt image creator without having to pay a single penny? It's your lucky day because in this video, I'll show you how to use an InstantArt generator to create fascinating and free pieces of art with a simple click. As you will see in a minute, this powerful tool will take your art to the next level, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way. Alright, to get started, go to the website InstantArt.io and click on the Get Started button at the top right corner of the screen. Then click Sign Up to create a new account on the platform. Then you will be redirected to a registration page where you need to enter your username, your email address, and a password of your choice. After you fill in your details, click on the Register button, and you're ready to go. Here is the homepage of InstantArt. This revolutionary new platform allows you to create a wide range of art, like these stunning landscapes, illustrations, abstract masterpieces, and much more for free. If you click on one of the images, you will find all of the prompt details right here. Unfortunately, there is no direct way to access the Remix tool in this panel. But you can regenerate the image by simply copying and pasting the prompt you get from here. Now let's see how to generate an image with this tool. First, click the Generate button right here, and you will find a text box where you can type a description of the image you want to create. Let's type, upper body of beautiful pale cyberpunk female with heavy black eyeliner, and I'm going to paste the details of the image after it. In this text box, you also have the option to type a negative prompt. I've already compiled a list of negative tags to create realistic personalities. I'm going to paste those keywords right here. I will also put the link in the description if you want to use it for your prompt. Alright, as you can see here, you have a dashboard with some parameters to create your art. And here, you can choose different variations of the image orientation. And here, there are several AI models underneath the featured AI model to work with. And here you can set the guidance scale to control how closely the image generation process follows your text prompt. I just leave it as the default value. And here, you can adjust the number of images you want to generate. After you set all your settings, click Generate to produce your image. It will take about a minute to generate the image. Here it is. For comparison, let me show you how Midjourney handles the same kind of prompt. This is the source image I got inspiration from. Alright, the previous image was generated using a stable diffusion model, but you can also use the Dream Booth model by clicking the stock button here. Dream Booth basically allows you to contextualize the subject of your prompt by utilizing a pre-trained AI model that has been trained on a diverse set of pictures. So let's see the Dream Booth in action. I'm going to type a portrait of a very old coal miner in the 19th century with a highly detailed face. Then I paste the negative keywords, and I click Generate. Here you have it. That's it. You can explore more features on your own on the website. Thank you for watching and have fun with InstantArt Creator.